Hello everyone, welcome to the Marlboro Regional Chamber of Commerce Membership Spotlight. Today we are very pleased to be at Main Street Bank, and our guest today will start with Jamie Conahan, who is a Vice President of Marketing, and Ina Veloshina, who is the Assistant Vice President and Senior Relationship Manager.
Yes.
So welcome to both of you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Pleasure to have you.
Yeah, so obviously this is to get our members to know a little bit more about some of our members, hence the name Spotlight. And we wanted to start with those of you out there who are not familiar with how Main Street Bank came to be. Actually in 2017, which wasn't that long ago, two of the banks, North Middlesex Savings and Marlboro Savings, joined forces and created Main Street Bank, right? So they went back as far as the mid to late 1800s in terms of serving the local communities. So I guess the question that's on everybody's mind is obviously the effect that the pandemic has had on the banking industry. So why don't you share a little bit about what you see as obviously there's the basic stuff of folks, being, coming in and how they do business with you. But tell us a little bit about the changes you've seen in the impact of the pandemic.
Sure, yeah, that's been certainly an interesting thing for us to navigate in the financial services space because we actually got busier, I think, as the pandemic ramped up because people needed access to their money, they needed help and support in certain scenarios. So we were there to help our customers who may have been having more of a challenging time, whether they were laid off from work, whether they were a business that was struggling during those early months. And I'm sure a lot of people have heard of the Paycheck Protection Program through the Small Business Administration. So those PPP loans, we offered those, and we actually, in total, made over 860 loans to small businesses in our communities, totaling about $97 million. So I can't even count the exact number of jobs that saved, but certainly well over 2,000 jobs in our local community were saved by us being able to provide those PPP funds. So that was a huge piece of the pandemic, and Ina could probably share a little bit about kind of how the day-to-day customer impact has been with services and banking.
Yeah, absolutely. It's definitely been different helping customers through the pandemic because the lobby's doors were closed, so we had to operate through the drive-up on the phone, remotely, through Zoom, through WebEx meetings, but still getting the business done. We discovered the needs, a lot of needs that our customers had with online services. They were very receptive to the coaching that my team and I and as branches provided to the customers in order to help them do business as usual. Mm-hmm. And then when we opened the doors, we kind of revisited and coached them through, even some customers that haven't done it before. So I would like to say that it validated to the customers how much we care. We're really not in the position to sell the services. We're in the position to develop relationships, to discover the needs, to coach them through the benefits of what we have to offer, and to transform the understanding of a community banking, how much we care of what's happening in their financial wellness.
So I think that in closing, a lot of people I don't think are aware of how active Main Street Bank is in charitable organizations, giving back to the community, and even the relationship with the Chamber of Commerce. Mm-hmm. So can you we've been together a long time with our relationship. Can you just tell the folks how the relationship with the Chamber serves to assist you in the community?
Absolutely, I'll be very happy to talk about it. Main Street Bank been a member of the Marlboro Chamber for over 20 years, well over 20 years. And through this great relationship, it enables us to support a lot of organizations that we meet through the chamber and through the town, and reinvest in the community. That's one of the morale principles, to reinvest in the communities in our bank. We able to meet a lot of our potential clients and assist them with their needs, and we're able to coach them in our best way that we can, whether it comes to deposit accounts, business accounts, loans, or, as Jamie said, cybersecurity. We offer a lot of coaching seminars that we share with the community, or a lot of events that we get involved with.
We use your shredding event.
Absolutely. Can't wait to have the next one.
That would be great.
Yes.
Great. Well, we really do appreciate you taking the time out to educate us a little bit more and our members on Main Street. And as always, appreciate our relationship and thank you for your support. So there you have another install of the Marlboro Regional Chamber of Commerce Member Spotlight.